Welcome.
You are watching Line Screw 1. Oh, the wild and crazy streets of Vancouver. Here we got a great example of an idiot drunk driver in Burnaby. For those of you who aren't from Vancouver, Burnaby is one of the suburb towns in Metro Vancouver. I've actually even lived there. Kind of famous for the Metrotown Mall. Anywho, this looks like it happened a couple days ago because there was still snow on the ground and it's all melted. But this nugget of a person really wasn't thinking because they had way too much to drink. And they were so stupid that they actually left their dash cam recording the entire event. Yeah, you don't have to pass an IQ test to get arrested, unfortunately. And thanks to a court order, the RCMP, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, have released this video to the public so that I can use it. So let's take a look at this nugget and how good his driving was. Okay, off we go. Oh, this is a bad start. Oh, bad start. You're on the wrong side of the road, buddy. Maybe he's English. Maybe he's from New Zealand. I don't know. Maybe he's just reverting to the way he was trained. Okay, we got an intersection here. Let's see how that works out. Okay, okay, that's all good. Oh, okay. Oh, swerving over. Well, I missed that car. Over the double solid. Coming around a corner, blind corner. Oh, okay. Well, he's doing okay at the moment. Staying on the right side. Kind of going slow. Oh, he's struggling. Oh, he's swerving a little bit. Oh, back to the left-hand side. Oh, boy. Oh, here comes the ditch. Here comes the ditch. That's not going to be good. Oh, that ditch can definitely get you trapped. Oh, is he going to hit it? Is he going to hit? Oh, up and over. Up and over. Doing some good Dukes of Hazzard driving there. Oh, back he's on the road. Still on the left-hand side. Oh, car coming, car coming. What happens? Oh. That was a near one. Near miss. Oh, another car coming and a red light. Well, I guess that red light is just merely a suggestion because he's flying right through it. Okay. Oh, gonna have some fun up here. I can see that. Oh, gets. Oh, I see some side swiping coming up. Oh. Side swipe! Oh, side swipe again! Oh, fire hydrant. Oh, is he gonna hit that stop sign? Nope. So what do you do when you hit a fire hydrant and you're drunk? You just keep driving. Why let a small little detail like that, or even a stop sign, why let that stop you? Oh, into that little median, little island. Oh, took out the stop light. Looks like he couldn't drive any further because his wheel came off. And the flooding that was getting into people's basements from the fire hydrant, I think, was a tip-off. Probably the other cars that noticed he was drunk. Anyway, a little bit of fun from the Burnaby RCMP. Put your comments down below, and remember, this is the counterattack season. That's what we call it up here in British Columbia, where the police are out looking for you. So figure out a way to get home safely that doesn't involve driving. Over and out.
I got you, I got you.